How to manage file tags. This video walks you through the process of organizing and handling tags on your files. We are going to manage file tags in just 3 simple steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is step 1, accessing Manage File Tags. To start setting things up, head over to the left sidebar and click on Manage File Tags. Keep in mind, if you can see this option, it means you have access to create file tags. Give it a moment for the Manage File Tags page to load up. Open the drop-down under Select File Tag and pick the Create New File Tag option to begin building your custom tag. Let's give this tag a clear, recognizable name. In the Tag Name field, type in what you want to call this tag, something like quotation, so you can easily reuse it later for similar documents. Scroll down the page to reach the Metadata fields section. To start building your metadata fields, click the Add Field button. These fields are the actual data points you'll capture from every document tagged as a quotation. In the Label field, enter the name of your first data point, which is the vendor's name. Set a character limit in the max length field to keep entries consistent. Something like 150 works well for a name. Since this info is essential, tick the required box so it can't be skipped during upload. Add another field by clicking the Add Field button again. For this one, type in quotation number as the label. Clear out the max length value since quotation numbers can vary in format. Mark this one as required too. Let's add one more field by hitting Add Field. Label this field as Date, which will help you sort and search documents by time later on. Open the Type drop-down and switch it to Date, so the system knows to treat this as an actual date value instead of plain text. Tick the required box to make sure every document includes a date. To save your file tag, scroll down and hit the Create New File Tag button to finalize the setup. You'll see a confirmation notification pop up, letting you know the file tag has been created successfully. To start uploading a document with your new tag, hover over the quotation category and click on Invoice. This brings you to the Upload Documents page, where you can attach a file tag before uploading. Open the File Tag drop-down menu to see the tags available for this upload. Pick Quotation from the list, since that's the tag we just created. Notice how the metadata fields we set up earlier now appear. Go ahead and fill in the vendor name field with the supplier's business name. Next, enter the reference number into the quotation number field. For the date field, click the calendar icon to bring up the date picker. Choose your desired date, and if needed, adjust it manually to match the exact date on the document. To stage the file, drop your document into the upload area or browse to select it, and you'll see it appear in the Staged Files list, ready to go. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Upload Now button to send it through along with all your metadata and file tag details. You'll notice a progress notification pop up in the bottom right corner, letting you know the file is being uploaded. To verify the upload was successful, head over to the Invoice tag under the Quotation category in the left sidebar, and there it is. Your newly uploaded file is now sitting right under the correct tag. To confirm the metadata came through correctly, expand the file tag by clicking the drop-down arrow, and you'll see the vendor name, quotation number, and date all attached to your file. To search for files using tag metadata, start by heading to the quotation category in the sidebar. From here, hit the Tag Search button to open up the advanced search options. A file tag search panel will slide in, letting you filter documents by their custom metadata. Open the File Tag drop-down and pick Quotation, so the system knows which set of fields to search through. In the Vendor Name field, type in part of the vendor's name you remember. This is where those custom metadata fields really pay off. Once you're ready, hit the File Tag Search button to run the query. And just like that, the matching document shows up, making it super easy to locate files even when you only remember a small detail. To delete a file tag, head back to Manage File Tags in the left sidebar. Once the page loads, open the File Tag drop-down to pick the tag you want to remove. Go ahead and select Quotation from the list. Scroll down and hit the Delete File Tag button to start the removal process. A confirmation modal will pop up. Since this action is irreversible, the system asks you to type delete as a security check, so go ahead and enter it in the field. Hit the confirm button to finalize the deletion. And that's it. You'll see a success notification confirming the file tag has been deleted. And that's how you delete a file tag when you no longer need it. You now know how to manage file tags from start to finish. Give it a try in your own account and see how it works for you.